Hello. In this video, you will learn what types of virtual video conferencing rooms there are in Proficonf. After registration, you will be redirected to the events page, where you can create your first video conference. There are three types of conference rooms in Proficonf: instant, scheduled, and permanent. To create and host an instant event in Proficonf, click the Start button on the events page, and you'll be redirected to the virtual room. You only need to invite participants via link or email. An instant event automatically starts when there are 2 or more participants in the virtual room. Instant event is suitable for urgent online meetings, briefings, and video conferences. As a general rule, webinars and video conferences are scheduled in advance. Speakers need to be well prepared and create a high-quality presentation. It's very easy to create a scheduled event in Proficonf. Click the Schedule button on the events page. In the creation form, enter the name, select the date and time, the role for the participants, activate the automatic recording and the redirection page, and click Create. The newly created virtual room will be displayed in the upcoming section. Now you can invite participants and advertise the upcoming event. Scheduled events are perfect for webinars and large video conferences. A scheduled event automatically starts when there are 2 or more participants in the virtual room and when the scheduled time has come. A permanent room is an event with a permanent link, which is based on the name of the event. The advantage of this room is that it's available 24/7, and after a conference or webinar, it restarts and is ready for the next event. The link remains the same, which is very important for daily online meetings, conferences, or lessons. The event in the permanent room automatically starts when there are 2 or more participants in the virtual room. The upcoming tab displays the events you have created and other users' events that have not been completed. Note, you can end an event if it has been started. Automatic recording will begin once the event has started. The Completed tab displays all events that have been completed. The Permanent tab displays all permanent events that you have created. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.